OpenAI is releasing a new open weight model dubbed GPT-OSS that can be downloaded for free, be customized, and even run on your laptop. The model comes in two variants, 120 billion parameter and 20 billion parameter version. The bigger versions can run on a single NVIDIA GPU and perform similarly to OpenAI's existing O4 mini model, while the smaller one performs very similar to the O3 mini model, running on just 16 GB of memory. Both model versions are released today via platforms like Hugging Face, Databricks, Azure, AWS under the Apache 2.0 license, which allows them to be widely modified. This is OpenAI's first open-weight model in over 6 years, years before the debut of ChatGPT. Unlike earlier this year, CEO Sam Altman cited safety concerns as a reason for not releasing a follow-up. Developers have flocked to open models due to lower cost and customizability. In January, after the rise of DeepSeek, Altman said that OpenAI has been on the wrong side of history by not releasing their own open models. OpenAI is reasserting itself with the open weight model that is perform the reasoning tasks, browse the web, write codes, and operate agents via the company's existing API. On the safety front, he said it has been most rigorously tested model to date, and it is tested with external safety firms to ensure it does not pose risk in areas like cybersecurity and biological warfare.